Alright guys, so I have a bunch of yarn here that I'm going to destash because I have a lot. So I decided to give one of you a couple of the skeins that I have here that I will not be using anytime soon. So if you want to enter this giveaway, keep on watching and see which ones I chose for you guys. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I hope you like this new setup that I have going on here. I got this cute little fairy lights, and I might add some other stuff as I go. And as you could probably tell by the title and intro of this video, today I'm going to do a yarn giveaway for you guys. I just wanted to do a destash of my yarn. I have a bunch of yarn that I unfortunately will not be able to use anytime soon. So I was like, you know what, let's do a destash giveaway. At least that's what I'm gonna call it. So one of you lucky persons out there that is watching is going to leave with a whole box full of yarn that I chose. All right, so keep on watching to see which skeins I chose for you guys. So here is the box full of yarn that one of you is going to get. So starting with, I have a bunch of just yarn, Premier yarn. So this is one of my favorite yarns. And it's really $1, so it's really easy for me to get a lot of these when I go to the dollar store, but I get a little carried away. So I will give this color, also this other green color here, and this one is called Pine Green, and this other one is called Meadow. Okay, so you're also gonna get one of my favorites. It's the Feels Like Bliss in the color Blush. And I did a video review on these, on this yarn previously, and I will link it if you wanna watch it. So this one's really soft, and I think you're gonna love it. And I have two skeins of this Acacia by Hobie Yarns, and this is a cotton and acrylic blend, so it's perfect for summery tops, bags, anything really that you want to make during the summer. I think this yarn is pretty nice. And moving on, I have a bunch of the We Crochet. They did send me some yarn a while ago, but it was a big box and I could not get through all of their yarn that they sent me. So this color right here, it's their Brava worsted weight, and it's a size 4 acrylic. And this color, you guys, is so pretty, but I usually don't use this kind of color, so I hope you like it. Also, there's another Brava worsted weight, and this one is called Cake Pop. Cake Pop Speckle. This is how it looks. It's really pretty. All right, so that's it for the Brava worsted. All right, I got two more, and then I got like 2 extra pom-poms that I decided to just throw in the box for you guys. And then this one, you guys, is also by We Crochet, is the Wonder Fluff, and this is a really fancy yarn. It's a 70% alpaca, 23% nylon, and 7% merino wool, and it's a size 5. I believe, you guys, that this yarn, it was like almost like $20 a skein. I think that's how much it was. I didn't pay for it, but they sent it to me, and it's super, super soft. Oh, it's so soft. But again, I usually don't work with merino wool yarn, and I just couldn't think of a project to use it for, and I didn't want it just standing there. So one of you guys is gonna get this really fancy Wonder Fluff yarn. And last but not least, one of my favorite yarns, and it's the Mandala Cake. And this is the baby mandala. This is the color, it's so pretty. I don't remember why I bought this yarn, and then I ended up not using it for some reason, and it's been on my stash for a while. So I just want to get rid of it. And this one is called Wishing Well. All right, so that is it for the yarn, you guys. And then I decided to throw in a little black pom and a brown pom that I have. These are not too big or small, maybe like a medium. Maybe for like toddler, baby hat, child hat, or adult, whatever you want to use it for. So you get 2 of these, a black and a brown, and then the rest of the yarn. Okay guys, so this is a lot of yarn, so I hope one of you guys, whoever receives it, is really happy and excited. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment below what you would do with all this yarn. Okay, that's all you have to do. And I will at the moment I'm recording this video, I'm actually recording it way before I publish, like the time that you see it, because I'm gonna be away for a while. But I would put in the screen here the time where the dates that this giveaway is going to be open for. And yeah, just follow the rules in the description box below. And yeah guys, I wish you guys the best and good luck to whoever wins this box. I also wanted to mention that on the previous giveaway that I made, somebody commented that they were disappointed that I was not doing the giveaway internationally, and I just wanted to say I'm sorry you guys, I cannot do that right now, just because keep in mind I am giving this yarn away for free, and then I still have to pay for the shipping, and if I have to send this out to another country, it's just gonna get too expensive. So I hope you guys understand if you are overseas, but just know that I appreciate if you watch me, and in the future I do plan on doing a giveaway for international viewers. Okay, so I just wanted to apologize for that. And before I leave, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos and subscribing. At the time of this video, we are really close to 800, so thank you guys so much and good luck, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.